Another beautiful Krishna, the nutcut, the mischievous, the one who probably went to Maiya Yashoda and said, Maiya Mori, main nahi makhan khayo. Mesmerizing everyone. Look at the effort the kids, the parents have put in to depict this very Bal Leela of our beloved Kanuda. Please, a big round of applause. I think the least we can do is encourage these kids. गोविंदा आला की स्पिरिट बनाए रखिए और जोरदार तालियां आपकी होनी चाहिए इन बच्चों के लिए. प्लीज, बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. ऑसम, थैंक यू. आहा, A4 judges, the beautiful Krishna. We all know, we have all seen Kanuda depicted with long hair and that mischievous smile on his face, and that's exactly what I see here. A4 judges, beautiful. Boliye Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki. Awesome. Thank you, A4. A5, one more. फूलों में सज रहे हैं वृंदावन बिहारी, सिर पे मुकुट टेढ़ा और संग है वृषभानु की दुलारी. ऐसे हमारे कृष्ण जजेस. A wonderful presentation, and look at the confidence in this kid. 0 to 3 years. Let me remind you, आपकी तालियां नहीं आ रही है, so मुझे रिमाइंड करना पड़ रहा है कि these kids are between 0 to 3. Come on. Awesome. Thank you. A6. ऐसा लग रहा है माँ यशोदा के साथ नटखट से कुछ महीनों के हमारे जिनका जन्म हुआ है भगवान कृष्ण का, and he is already into his makhan leela. So fond of the butter, the makhan, right from, look at that smile. I'll take this opportunity. I think this is the roop of Bhagwan Krishna. I'll get my blessings here. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. And we are about to see some amazing presentation here. So we know the incarnation of, the 8th incarnation of Bhagwan Krishna was also to free the world of a lot of misery, and Kubera's son who were under the curse, depicting that very scene, how he released them in a very young age. Beautiful depiction. Look at the hard work, look at the details. Excellent. A big round of applause, please. All right, I think we have A1 judges, just to be sure. A1 is between us. So with Maiya Yashoda, I think she caught him red-handed. She's taking care of the business right now. So he probably was stealing that butter, and now she is feeding her butter. So there's this famous bhajan, right? Maiya Mori, which started with "Main nahi makhan khayo," ended with "Maine hi makhan khayo," and Maiya saying "Main tune nahi makhan khayo," depicting that very scene from Krishna Leela. A big round of applause, please. All right, thank you. Next on the stage, can I have everyone's attention? Get in the spirit. We have made every effort for this to be the bridge bhumi for tonight, for this evening. So get in the spirit. It's a joyous occasion. I think it's one of the biggest of its kind of celebration of Janmashtami in US. So a big round of applause for these kids. एक बार मेरे साथ जोर से हम कृष्ण कन्हैया की जय बोलेंगे. बोलिए कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की. Awesome. A8. A8. The nutcracker, the mischievous A8. Aha. There you go. Unpredictable as always, Bhagwan Krishna. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, A8. Next we have A9. A9, another beautiful bal form of Bhagwan Krishna, playing his flute. He has always mesmerized all of us with the beautiful music of his flute, and that's what this kid is depicting here. Thank you so much, A9. A10, one more Natkhat Bal Gopal, and almost like coming with his Ma Yashoda. Beautiful depiction in its full form. एक बार इस छोटे नटखट माखन चोर की जय लगाएंगे, बोलिए वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की. Awesome. Thank you. Next we have A11. A11. This Krishna probably just got up from his afternoon nap, which is okay. We are depicting all forms of Krishna Leela, all forms of Krishna. So this is another form. कुछ माफी दे दीजिए, कुछ गलती हो गई तो. Beautiful. See, I'm just amazed with the confidence with these kids can come on the stage and present themselves. So we should applaud that. Do I need to tell what this is? A wonderful presentation. Kaliya Nag ko jab harakar, the incarnation of Vishnu, when he showed his divine form, that's what this kid is depicting. आप लोग सभी अभी अपना दर्शन कर लीजिए, ये मौका आप लोगों को बार बार नहीं मिलेगा. Right now it's the opportunity. We're getting to see the same divine form. Awesome. Thank you. ये राधा रानी जी हैं, हवाईयन थीम की राधा रानी जी, which is okay. And Panghat पे Krishna, she couldn't find Krishna, and that's what she is searching, looking for. Panghat पे मेरा Krishna कहाँ है? Beautiful. A big round of applause for Radhe Rani. A13 judges. A13. Great. A14. A14. Another beautiful depiction of Bal Krishna. I guess I need to move here. I'm just glad I'm getting his attention. बोलिए कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय. Beautiful. Thank you so much. We don't have A15 yet, so the next participant would be A16 judges. The next participant is A16. Madhuram Rachitam Pitambardhari Shri Krishna Bhagwan with his flute. I think looking around for his Radha. Another beautiful presentation. Thank you. A16. A17. घुंघराले बाल, मनोहर चाल, मधुर मुस्कान. A beautiful, beautiful Krishna out here. छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल, छोटी छोटी गैया, छोटे छोटे ग्वाल, छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल. बोलिए इस मदन गोपाल की. Beautiful. Thank you. A17. Thank you. A18. A18. Another Bal form of Krishna. मानो वसुदेव जी कुछ दिनों पहले ही इनको नंद जी के घर छोड़ गए थे. So as you know the story, Vasudev ji had to carry him from Kansa's prison to Nandadham, to Nandji's ghar. And that's what we can see here. That beautiful smile, that mischievous, what tedi si muskaan. A big round of applause, please. Come on. Look at the amount of joy these kids are bringing for us. Next participant, A19. A19 judges. Another beautiful form of Krishna. इनको आज माखन नहीं मिला तो थोड़े से रुष्ट हैं. A bit not happy with his quota of butter is not there yet. All right, thank you. Judges, we do not have A20 and A21, so we'll be going ahead with A22. Hopefully they will show up. Thank you. A22, Lord Vishnu, whose incarnation is Kanuda, Krishna Bhagwan, the giver of Gita. A beautiful depiction in his full form, in his full divine form. As Krishna said, everything is in me and I am everywhere. Presenting that divine form of Krishna. A big round of applause, please. Thank you so much. There you go. What else can you want? Another beautiful Krishna. Once more, A23 judges, A23. And look at the presentation here. I mean, this kid is posing as Krishna on the stage. A big round of applause. One more awesome presentation. Krishna's favorite More, peacock. He always wears a morpang on his mukut, on his crown. And that's what we are predicting, how with the music of his flute, even the animals, the birds in the jungle would go mesmerized. And that's what we are presenting here. Beautiful presentation. A big round of applause for the Krishna and more. Next we have A25. A25, another beautiful Makhan Chor. Look at that chubby face. As if we have Krishna amongst us. That's okay. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. A21 judges. We have A21 in between of us. A21 in his relaxed Krishna form. So we have all these kids, all these parents who have worked so hard for these kids. So big round of applause for these kids. Beautiful. Thanks. A27 judges. Gopika Radharani, the most divine Ras Leela, depicting that very Ras Leela, that the dance form where Krishna mesmerized all the Gopikas, and they would have those amazing Ras Leelas, depicting that very Ras Leela. A big round of applause for this Choti Si Gopika, Choti Si Radharani. Beautiful. Thank you. So last participant for Group A, A28. A28. This perfect, divine, confident form. Krishna playing his flute. There you go. He just identified his picture from couple of years back. Boliye Krishna Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki. Awesome. With that, do we end the Group A? Awesome. So we'll be starting with Group B. So Group B will be 3 to 6 years in age. There you go. So I think I'll be doing fine for this year. Boliye Mahalakshmi ki. Jai Ho. Beautiful depiction. Thank you. And that was B1 judges in the form of Goddess Lakshmi, the giver of wealth. And we have, as part of this costume contest, we have Krishna Leela, we have the incarnations, the Hindu gods, goddesses. So this one is Varaha Avatar. As you can see, look at the details, judges. Such hard work. And the Varaha is holding the entire Prithvi or earth while blessing the earth as Vishnuji's incarnation of Varaha Avatar. बोलिए श्री विष्णु भगवान की. B3, judges B3. Depicting the goddess from in the form of Lakshmi ji. So one of the goddesses from the scriptures, B3. A big round of applause. Look at the presentation. B4, राधा रानी जी. राधिका ओरी से बिरज की छोरी से मैया करा दे मेरो ब्याह. शायद इन्हीं को देख के कृष्ण भगवान ने गाया होगा. A big round of applause for Radha Rani. Beautiful. B4. I guess after experiencing all those beautiful Krishnas, it's the time to experience the Radha Ranis now. B5. राधे राधे मुझे श्याम मिला दे. Beautiful depiction. What a beautiful smile. B5 judges. B6. B6. पनघट पे जाती हुई राधा रानी. So as always, I think Krishna is not around and she's feeling a bit sad. But that's okay. I think we'll find Krishna soon. Beautiful. Oh, there you go. Krishna right behind. Judges B7. B7. You can see the mischievous smile. He's playing the flute. Look at the confidence. Vanshidhar Krishna Bhagwan ki. Okay guys, I think the kids are doing an amazing job. We need to get into that spirit and show some encouragement for these kids. So big round of applause and a big jaikar for all these Radhas, Krishnas out here. And this is depiction of one of the Bal Leela of Krishna, where she had to literally tie him to a tree trunk because he just wouldn't listen. So tired of him stealing butter from all the gopis, finally she had to take care of Krishna this way. But do you think that will hold our beloved Krishna? I don't think so. I think he can just move on. A big round of applause for B8. Beautiful, beautiful depiction. Look at that. Thank you so much, B8. B9. A bit modern version of Yashoda Maiya with the Krishna and stroller. Oh, Mirabai. I'm sorry. Mirabai playing with his beloved Kanuda. So I think I was right in the first instance. It's Yashoda Maiya, the modern twist to our Bal Leela of Krishna. Krishna in a stroller, which is okay, I guess. This was B9. B9. Keshava Madhava He Krishna Madhusudana. Beautiful presentations. A big round of applause for the parents also who have worked so hard. B10. B10. Another Leela from Krishna's beautiful depiction. Look at the hard work, look at the scenery they have created. Awesome. Thank you so much, B10. B11 Radharani again. A beautiful Radharani on the stage. Radhike tune bansuri churai. Probably that's what she's depicting. And look at the confidence. Aram se, she's waving all of us, giving her blessings. Beautiful. Thank you. B12. He's about to do something. There you go. What else can be beautiful? Krishna playing his flute. Thank you so much. Great job. B13. Depicting Vrindavan's Gopi. B13 judges. So happy to be among so many Krishnas, Radhas, this Gopi. Beautiful smile. Thank you so much, B13. B14. We have B14. She has Krishna's flute. So looks like they just fought and she stole his flute. Beautiful Radharani on the stage. A big round of applause, please. B15. One more depiction of the Bal Roop of Krishna, our Kanuda. Boliye Murlidhar Manohar Nandalal ki. Okay, this is not done. Once more. Boliye Murlidhar Manohar Nandalal ki. B16. Panghat pe jati Radha Rani. Beautiful, thank you. B17. Hara Hara Mahadev. Bam Bam Bole. Umapati Mahadev on the stage. I'll just request him to not open his third eye. Beautiful. Har Har Mahadev, thank you. One more beautiful Radharani, B18. Thank you. Yeah. B19. B19. अभी किसी का माखन चुरा के आते हुए. With full confidence. I don't think Krishna ever cared कि उन्होंने माखन चुराया नहीं चुराया. I think depicting that very form of Krishna, the confident, enjoying his makhan. Beautiful depiction. Judges. Another beautiful Radha between us. Radha Rani ki. Come on. Radha Rani ki. Beautiful. Who do we have next?
My daughter is performing. Take her picture. She's with Shiva Market. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Thank you,
I'll
B20.
just take a few of those because
B21.
Other one.
That's fine.
Maybe one or two dances. Yeah.
Kaliya Mardan. When Krishna Bhagwan sat on the sheesh on the head of the poisonous, the venomous snake, the huge snake Kaliya. Look at that beautiful depiction. With full confidence, B21. जिसने कालिया का शीश झुकाया ऐसे हमारे कृष्ण कन्हैया. Beautiful B21. Thank you. Next we have B22. B22. Another Krishna waving at us. Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you, B21, B22, B23. We don't have B23. Judges B24. One more Pitambar Dhari, Bhagwan Shri Krishna in his full attire. Look at that mukut. Teda sa mukut saj raha hai sar par. Beautiful. Thank you. And look who's ready to play Ras with our Krishna, our Kanuda. Look at that innocence, that beautiful smile. इस राधा रानी की तो जय बनती है. बोलिए श्री राधा रानी की. Beautiful. Thank you. B26. B26. Okay, probably that's what you're gonna get to see here. Perfect. Perfect depiction of the nutcut, the mischievous. Awesome. Great job, B26. Thank you. Judges, did you see that? B26. Thank you. Next we have B27. We have 3 kids, judges. Ma Saraswati, goddess of knowledge, and our own Vishnuji and his incarnation, our beloved Kanhuda. A big round of applause for these kids. Please, a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Great. Who do we have next? B28, Radhaji. आइए, please depict your Ras Leela. Ah, there you go. That smile is $1 million smile right there. Thank you. And the last participant for B group, another beautiful Radharani. Great job. Looking for her camera. Awesome. Great. Thank you. All right, we have found our 829 participant. So requesting you to go back to Group A. And we had to do it. Look at that Radhaji. How could we have missed that? Beautiful depiction of Radhaji. Radhika Ori se. Beautiful, thank you. माखन चोर नंद किशोर माँ यशोदा का दुलारा, ऐसा है कृष्ण हमारा प्यारा. So now we'll be starting with Group C. A quick request for all the Group A and Group B participants. We'll be having a group picture for the signature costume contest. So please make sure, as much possible, if you can manage to keep your kids in their costume. I know it's a bit tough for the smaller, younger kids, but please try your best. Please be around the stage. As soon as we are done with these groups, we'll be requesting everyone to come up on the stage and have a bhavya darshan of all participants for our beautiful crowd out here. एक बार नंदलाल की जय बुलवाएंगे सबसे. बोलिए श्री नंद किशोर की. Yeah, starting with Group C, C1, depicting Shabri Mata from Ramayana. Rama Rama रटते रटते बीती रे उमरिया, रघुकुल नंदन कब आओगे हमरी भी डगरिया. Depicting the beautiful Leela from Ram Leela Shabri Mata. C1, thank you. She's waiting for her beloved Ram, who would come and then she can feed him. Look at that, look at the details. C2, C2. Our saint, beloved Ramanujacharya being depicted here. And he is in the presence of Bhagwan Shri Vishnu on his Sheshnag in the midst of the sea. A big round of applause for this beautiful, beautiful depiction. Beautiful. Amazing attention to details. Great job. So, thanks to them, we could see our Shankaracharya ji on the stage. We could see Lord Bhagwan in his glory. C5. Adharam madhuram madhuradipate rakhilam madhuram. Oh handsome, with your beautiful mischievous smile, your curly hair, depicting the Nilambar Roop of Bhagwan Krishna, this participant, I'm fully mesmerized. This is the time to take your darshan for tonight. Boliye Vrindavan Krishna Bihari Lal ki. Beautiful, thank you. C3. Sorry judges, that was C5. That was C5 judges. We have C3 Radhaji, Radharani ji on the stage. In full glory. All ready for the Ras Leela with Bhagwan Krishna. Oh, I couldn't have imagined this one. C4, any guesses? I would have thought of Sudama, but this is the Mahapandit, the strategist, Chanakya in between of us. Beautiful, look at the confidence. I'm gonna go talk to him about some management issues later. C6, C6. मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, गिरिधर की मुरलिया बाजे रे. Radha Rani in between of us. C6 judges. Next we have C7. Another beautiful Radha Rani. A bit unhappy, happy. I think as soon as she will see Krishna, she will be fine, right? All right, beautiful. Another beautiful avatar of Krishna. Mor Mukut Pitambar Sohe. Beautiful. Govardhan Dhari Krishna Bhagwan ki. Beautiful. Narayan, Narayan. C9, careful. This one. Narad Muni between us. Vishnu's messenger, or I would say the guy who starts rumors. Narayan, Narayan. Beautiful. Great attention to details. Vishnuji, the divine, the incarnation. Awesome. C10 judges for you. Beautiful. Next we have C11. Another mesmerizing form of Radha ji. अपने कृष्ण को मिलने जा रही हैं शायद. Awesome. This is the divine form we get to see in Mathura Vrindavan in its full glory. The mukut, the pitambar, the jewelry. This is how we decorate, we show our love for Krishna. Boliye कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की। आप लोगों की तालियां भी रुक गई हैं। बच्चों का एनकरेजमेंट आप बढ़ाइए प्लीज, अपनी तालियां जारी रखिए। C13 फूलों में सज रहे हैं वृंदावन बिहारी लाल। A beautiful depiction. C13, great job. Thank you, C13. C14. Judges, some attention here. The bronze statue form of Krishna Bhagwan. Look at the details, look at the hard work they have put in. A complete Pitambar form of our beloved Krishna. Beautiful. Great job, C14. बम बम भोले, बम बम भोले। शिव जी बिहाने चले पालकी सजाए के, बभूति लगाए के। He's looking happy, I think he's out for the marriage. बोलिए शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ की। Beautiful. C16, another beautiful form of Radha Rani with some modern gadgets. Thank you. This way. एक और चुलबुली सी, नटखट सी राधा रानी. If Krishna was mischievous, so was Radha. C17. वृषभानु की दुलारी राधा जी. C18. मोर मुकुटधारी भगवान श्री कृष्णा. Ready for his ras with Gopikas and Radha ji. Beautiful depiction once again. Great job, C18. Judges, with this we end Group C. Ram Darbar. Bhagwan Shri Ram in his grand form with Bhakta Hanuman, Sita ji on the side, Lakshman ji on his side, and the two brothers, Shatrughan and Bharat. The full Ram Darbar. Can you believe it? Look at that beautiful depiction. Boliye Siyavar Ramchandra Bhagwan ki. Come on, this is not done. Boliye Siyavar Ramchandra Bhagwan ki. Beautiful. I'll seize this opportunity for a picture with Ram Darbar. Ram Bhakt Hanuman, and I will not lose this opportunity. Cannot believe it. Mangal Bhavan Amangal Hari Dravah Sudashrath Ajir Bihari. Boliye Siyavar Ramchandra ki. Beautiful. Thank you kids. A great Jhanki presentation here. Next we have Krishna's, the incarnation of Vishnu was to get rid of the demons who were terrorizing the region, and he, in his very Bal form or the childhood, he killed so many demons, and Kansa and the demon kings used to send one after another someone to kill, to take care of Krishna. But how with his smartness, at a very young age, he could identify the trouble, save the Gopikas, save the village, and depicting one of the most amazing Leela from Krishna Leela, Aghasur Vadh. So we have all heard of the venomous Shesh, the Kalyanath, and this one was one demon who took the form of a huge, like a python or a snake, and he hid in the jungle. And when Krishna, the Gopikas were about to go for their picnic, the idea was he would keep his mouth wide open, that they wouldn't even realize that they are walking right into his stomach. they're walking right into a trap. And that's what the beautiful depiction out here. Look at those parents working hard. I mean, it takes some effort to create this kind of jhanki. So I'm so proud to be part of this amazing presentation out here. Look at all the Gopikas, the friends, Bal Sakhas of Krishna. They are all going out for their daily fun, for their picnic. Krishna as always is leading. They have their gaiyas, choti gaiya, chote gwal. So the choti gaiyas out here, the chote gwal out here, with a mischievous smile on their faces. And our beloved Krishna, the leader, leading them, and how he saves them from the imminent danger. That's a depiction out here. And once he saves them, so we'll give them a few more seconds to get ready. I think the jhanki is all set. All right.
Big round of applause. The more you clap, the better they are.
And look at the details. We have Balram, we have Krishna Bhagwan, and that huge Aghasur, and how he's about to stop them from entering into that danger, that trap. Aghasur मर्दन करने वाले कृष्ण भगवान की. अरे ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. Come on, with some energy. These kids can be out here and depicting this beautiful jhanki for us from Krishna Leela. We can do better. बोलिए अघासुर मर्दन करने वाले भगवान कृष्ण की. An amazing job by these kids. Great work.
Give it up.
Super. Excellent. Excellent jhanki. Thank you so much, kids. Can all the kids? And give it up for the parents also. Look at the excitement, look at the hard work. It's all for you guys. So एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ इनका उत्साह बढ़ाएंगे. Awesome. Beautiful. Thank you kids. Awesome job. Thank you so much, parents. Great work. And the third jhanki for the night, last but not the least, so we know Krishna and the Krishna Leela will be incomplete without the mention of Sudama. I was kind of surprised that none of the kids were presenting the Krishna Sudama, the love, the friendship, that bond they carried. And I guess this jhanki will complete that piece of the Krishna Leela we are about to experience. As you can see, what they are about to set up is the hut of poor Sudama. And the grand palace of Bhagwan Krishna. And they will depict how Sudama, at the prodding of his wife, he goes as he was hesitant to be asking for favors from his friend. But after so much poverty, he finally decides to go to his Sakha, to his friend Krishna. So there's a beautiful bhajan. मेरा आपकी दया से सब काम हो रहा है. करते हो तुम कन्हैया मेरा नाम हो रहा है। तुम कृष्ण बनकर आए मैं जब बना सुदामा। So depicting that very beautiful spirit of friendship, the infinite love Krishna has for his friends. So Sudama's wife, living in poverty, and how she keeps pushing Sudama to go seek some help from his friend. So Sudama finally goes carrying the 3 muthi of chawal or rice. अरे द्वारपालो कन्हैया से कह दो कि दर पे सुदामा गरीब आ गया है. That beautiful bond, that friendship. Krishna didn't care that he was Tribhuvan, he was the lord of the 3. And how he welcomes his friend who has come from such a hard journey. He washes his feet.
Do you know who left?
Great, thank you.
Depicting that divine leela of friendship and how he takes care of his beloved friend. He doesn't care, he's a king. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at Sudama and Krishna together. And then he asked, कि मेरी भाभी ने, my sister-in-law must have sent some gift for me. And very reluctantly Sudama presents the rice because that's all he could afford. And he's like, he ate 1, 2 and he was about to eat the 3rd one. And Radha, Rukmini ji, who was the queen, she reminds Krishna that you have already, when you ate those 2 handful of rice, you already gave your 2 kingdoms to him. So don't let go of the 3rd one because that's all you got. And she had to literally stop. And that was the infinite love of Krishna. He didn't care. A beautiful presentation of Sudama and Krishna. तुम कृष्ण बन के आए मैं जब बना सुदामा. तो ऐसे ही हम सबको हमारी दोस्ती को याद दिलाते हुए बोलिए कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की. We'll need all the kids. I guess Sudama ji could at least afford a diaper. So, on a lighter note. So beautiful depiction, one more beautiful Krishna Leela Jhanki. With this we end the segment. A great costume presentation, great hard work by the parents, the kids, beautiful work by our beautiful Sheetal ji and the very awesome Girish ji. I think that's always in the back, working hard. Great, thank you kids. Now we'll request all the kids to come on stage for the group picture. The sooner, the faster.
All the kids, please come on stage very quick for a group photograph. That will be the photograph that you will see in the papers.
Just to remind you all what we are here for, Krishna Janmashtami, the 27th grand celebration by Hindus of Greater Houston, with one mission to bring all Hindus together, to bring the community together, to be a beautiful part of our community, to give back to the community and be the voice for the Hindu Sanatan Dharma in Houston.
All the children, please come on stage. We want to take a group photograph. Please come on stage quick. And while we are doing that, let me tell you, we are in the US and US is going for an election. So those of you who would like to register yourself for voting this November, you can register yourself near the red carpet. There is a voter registration booth. Hindus of Greater Houston will not tell you whom to vote for, but certainly we want you to vote. So please go ahead and you can register. There is a voter registration booth next to the red carpet there. So while waiting for these kids to get ready, let's give it a big round of applause for Sanjay Jaju for having conducted this contest every year. Fantastically done. Great MC for this show and the right person for it. Thank you, Sanjay.
Thank you, Baba. All the parents, okay, make sure the smaller ones, if you can, if they are way too small, be there with them. Be quick, the sooner the better for the kids. Judges,